As of August 2026, our top gaming PC under 25,000 Rand is the Ryzen 5 7500 X3D paired with the RTX 5060. And it starts from 23,199 Rands, available at Evetech. Let's head on over to evetech.co.za and have a look at these gaming PCs under 25,000 Rand. So here on the page, we see there are 9 PCs readily available here for gaming under 25,000 Rand. And our first one is this Ryzen 5 7500 X3D one. This is the most expensive one under 25,000 Rand. So it uses most of your budget at 23,199 Rand. So its spec sheet is as follows: RTX 5060 8GB, GDDR7 of VRAM, 16 gigabytes of DDR5, 56 megahertz RAM, 1 terabyte NVMe SSD, and obviously it comes with this deep cool PF750 80 plus 750 watt power supply and a AMD Aura GC4 Elite PC case. So this one uses up most of the budget under 25,000 Rand, but you'll still have some leftover money because it is not 25,000 Rand, it is 23,000 Rand, 199 Rand. So the Intel version of this comes with the 5060 as well. This one is also 23,199 Rands. So the spec sheet is as followed: RTX 5060, 16 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, 1 terabyte NVMe SSD, 500 watt 80 plus power supply, and also the Gambia's Apollo case on this one. This also uses up most of the budget if you have 25,000 Rand available. Now, for the most budget friendly under 25,000 Rand that we have is 20,699, and it is this Ryzen 7 8700F pre-built PC. Its spec sheet is as follows, as we can see on the website. It's packing the RTX 5060 as well, 16 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, 512 gigabytes of NVMe SSD storage, 750 watt 80 plus power supply, and an Antec AX1000 light tempered glass gaming case. Excuse me there. Just a quick, did you know they all come with 24 months warranty? So you don't have to worry about it. Once you buy it, you have 24 months of warranty. Enjoy your gaming PC. So with the PCs in between the bottom and the top, we've got this AMD Ryzen 5 7500 X3D one, but instead of the RTX 5060, it's packing the RX 9060. So you do sacrifice those NVIDIA features, but this is still a gaming beast, and this one retails at 21,499. Again, these prices are as of August 2026. And then the Intel version of between the top and the bottom is this Intel Ultra 5 250KF RTX 5060 gaming PC, which retails at 21,999 Rand. Its spec sheet is as follows: the RTX 5060, 16 gigabytes of RAM, 512 gigabytes of storage, and it has the Gambia's Aura GC11 tempered glass gaming case. Again, 24 months warranty, which is spectacular from Evetech. I really like that. One thing that you can see on the website is it shows the FPS that you can hit at 1080p, 1440. For example, if we go back to our highest spec sheet one, you can see you can run 340 FPS on CS2 if you so prefer. So these are all the gaming PCs, not all of them, but these are the gaming PCs that you can get on evetech.co.za for under 25,000 Rand. So make sure you head on over there and cop yourself one.